Hello and welcome to the Stars of Physics. In this video, we shall see how to find out the value of resistance by using color code. So I will call it as resistance by color code. Now, if you see any resistance, generally there are 4 bands on that resistance. Say I will take this resistor over here. So if you see this resistance, then there are 4 bands here. First, second, third and fourth. Now by using these bands, we have to find out which colors are they, and then we have to find out what is the value of this resistance. So for these different bands, different colors, we have this table here that shows the color number for different colors. Okay, but don't worry about remembering this, because I will show you an easy trick to remember all this table. So just you have to remember that B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. So this is these colors I had written in capital. So we have here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So just remember this sentence: B.B. Roy of Great Britain, that is B.B. Roy of GB, that is Great Britain, has very good wife. So that will become very easy to remember this table here. Okay. Now for golden color, we have plus or minus 5% tolerance. For silver color, we have plus or minus 10% tolerance. And if there is no line, that means there is no color line as the fourth band, then there is plus or minus 20% tolerance. Now we shall see some resistances, and then we will find out the value of those resistances by using this color code. Say I will consider this our this resistance, this particular resistance. Now if you see here, in this resistance, what we have, this is our first color. So the first color, you can see it easily. It is nothing but what? Brown. Then the second color is what? Black. And the third color is what? Red. And this fourth line is nothing but what? It's a golden color line. Say I will call it as a gold or golden. Okay, golden color line. So here we can check this. What are the numbers of these colors? See here, for brown we have what? 1. So this is 1. For black we have 0. And for red we have 2. And for golden line we have plus or minus 5% tolerance. The value of a resistor, that is the, of course, resistance of this particular resistor, will be nothing but what? You have to write first color code as it is, second color code also as it is, and the third one is nothing but what? Multiplied by 10 raised to power this color, third color. So that means you have to write it on the head of 10, that is power of 10, and that is nothing but value of this particular resistance. Okay, so this comes out to be equal to 1000 ohm. Okay, now this is nothing but what? This, since it's 1000 ohm, it means it is what? 1 kilo ohm. So value of this resistance is 1 kilo ohm. Now here we have the fourth line as golden line. It means what? There is plus or minus 5% tolerance. So that means what? We have to find out what will be the 5% of what? 1000. So what will be 5% of 1000? 5% of 1000 will be equal to 5 divided by 100 multiplied by 1000. So it comes out to be equal to 50. So that means it means the 50 ohm is the tolerance of this particular resistance. That means the value of this resistance, of course, we found out it has to be 1000 ohm, but it need not be exactly equal to 1000 ohm. It will be plus or minus 5%. That means it will be 1000 plus or minus 5% and that much ohm. So that means what? The value of this resistor, particular resistor, will be either 1000 plus or minus 5% of 1000 is how much? It is 50. So 50, this much ohm. So that means the value of this resistor will be in between 1050 ohm and 950 ohm. Okay, so this will be the value of this particular resistor, and along with the tolerance I had explained you. We will take one more example here. Say I will consider another resistor, say this one. So I will just take it in the center of this. Yeah. Now if you see which are the colors here, you can see the first color is nothing but what? This is brown. Okay, then second color is what? Black. Third color is what? Green. And this fourth color is what? Golden. Now brown means what? 1. We have just seen by using this color code. I will just revise it. So brown means 1, then black means 0. So for this brown we have 1, for black we have 0, and for green we have 5. So I will write down this 5, and for golden line we have plus or minus 5% tolerance. Okay, so what will be the value of this particular resistor then? The value of this particular resistor will be value of resistor, that is the resistance offered by this particular resistor, will be 1 0 multiplied by third number we have to write what? On the head of 10, that means 10 raised to the power this much ohm, and plus or minus what? 5% of that particular ohm, whatever we get here. So this comes out to be equal to 10 raised to power what? 6 ohm plus minus 5%. Okay, so this is nothing but what? 1 mega ohm. 10 raised to 6 means what? Mega. So it becomes 1 mega ohm plus or minus 5% value will be nothing but what? Tolerance of this particular resistance. Okay, now I will give one homework to you, rather two homeworks. Just find out what will be the plus or minus 5% of this 1 mega ohm, and find out what will be the value in between which resistance values may vary. Okay, and the second one, for 5 mega ohm resistance, what will be the color code? That is a reverse question. So please do these questions and write them in the comment section so that I will check those things. If you have any difficulties, you can ask me any questions in the comment section. And do like, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you very much.